In the last video, we entered the coupon code and have now reached the settings page. Here we set up options to tweak how the overlay appears on the video. We will explore some of the basic options now. The first option is to select the theme. A theme decides overall look and feel of the overlay like gold, teak, modern, etc. Depending on your coupon code and package opted for, you will see varying options in this dropdown. For this demo, we'll go with the teak theme. The next option is the bottom ticker text. The text that you put here will be scrolled continuously at the bottom of your live video. This can be used to put out name of the church, contact information, announcements, etc. Next option is to select the Bible version. This is the Bible from where verses will be overlaid on the video when you choose to. There are several preloaded versions. If you do not find your version of the Bible here, simply put in a request and we will make it available. Next, we have the option to upload the church's logo. The logo that you upload here will be shown on most of the overlays. I'll go ahead and select my church's logo. Once the options are updated, let's click on the Save and Get Links option. Now, few links will appear in this section. The most important one is the output overlay link, which is what you use in your mixing software like OBS, Vmix, Wirecast, Streamlabs, etc. I'll click on the copy link button here.